Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some curry salmon. I have 3-piece decent sized salmon here and I'm in the mood for something healthy today. No, I'm gonna get back on my healthy eating though, but this is a start. So curry salmon in the making. I'm adding some black pepper, some fish seasoning. I'm gonna do one side and just rub it in because it's seeing right in my nose already. Some garlic powder, all-purpose, some ginger, pimento, and garlic mix. And lastly, some curry powder. You know me and curry is like best friends. Like that's my favorite thing to eat. So first I'm gonna make me some curry salmon. And I have carrots, onions, and scallion. I'm just gonna rub it in. It's now 4:13 and I'm gonna let it marinate for a little bit. And I'm just gonna season one side because that's enough. I'm gonna rub it in. And I'm gonna let it marinate for like 20 minutes. That's the most I'm gonna do it. 20 minutes and then I will be back. Are you about to come out the plate? Okay. Of course I'm gonna add curry when I put it. I'm gonna put some curry now in the pot, so it's looking light though, right? It's good. I'm gonna add some when I'm putting. I'm gonna put more curry when I go. I'm talking gibberish right now. Whatever. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. Time to cook my salmon. Let me turn this thing down. rice in the meantime. Cut down the rice so get a little pot of rice. So I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna turn salmon. Ooh, what a nice great. That's how you the right way. I want to break five. Ooh. Oops. You gave me a hard time to flip. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, honey. Come look at this beautiful thing. Look at it. How beautiful that looks. Color is I'm loving the color. Yes, I'm gonna cut down on rice. I'm gonna go back to eating a little portion of rice and some wheat bulgur. Yeah. So, everybody, I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to make salmon. Alright, so I'm gonna add these. I'm gonna add it. Turn it down a little bit. I'm gonna add it. Add some water and let it do. Let it cook. All that water I do. I'm pouring this in here right now and let it boil. I'm gonna cover it up because I want it to cook. Right. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Yeah, baby. All right. So, I'm about to add a little. Oh, baby, it smells so good. Guys, you gotta take a look at this up close and personal. All right, look at that. I know y'all drooling, because I'm drooling looking at it. Look at that. Add a little breadcrumb, just a little bit, so my gravy could be thick. But yes, she ready. No, she's not ready. She's not. Ooh, let me turn this down. It's too hot. This smells amazing. That's some curry salmon for you. That's some curry salmon for y'all. Let's say it smells good. Let's say it smells good. It smells good. So this is the end of my video, guys. It's all finished. It's time to eat. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.